Hey guys, Derek and Miller here. I'm currently outside. It's cold out here. Last time I checked, it was like 39 degrees right now. Right now, what you're looking at is a Air Canada Airbus A330. I hope everyone in the US and I believe a few other countries that celebrate it had a good Thanksgiving, because I know I had a good one. You know, we had it just with my parents, and that's really it. Nobody came, but we will be having people come Saturday, so should be nice. But other than that, I hope everyone had a really good Thanksgiving, and hope everybody's enjoying their day off and just chilling.